Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on WAMUQ, Washington Mutual Incorporated. I think I did this one maybe last Friday or so, and I've been getting a bunch of requests for it again. I think because of that video, people have some questions about kind of what's next. If you go back and watch that other video, I'll just do a real quick recap of it. But what I was talking about was we had a triangle pattern shaping up where we had this kind of declining, and then we had this uptrending 50-day simple moving average, which we were using as our base. And you could see that down, the price came down here and was sitting right on it, which was, ideally, and that was, a good thing because it was showing that the 50-day was having some support. And then unfortunately, I'm not sure what that was, but the price closed below it, and not only did it close below it, but as you can see, there was quite a bit of volume above the average on that day where that close did occur below the moving average. And then from there, the price today, so that was Thursday, and today the price went down some more. So I've been getting a lot of questions about, all right, well, what next? Where's the next support level? What's going on? So the next support levels that we're looking at, since that 50-day did fail, is what I'm going to call kind of a little support zone area. You can see, and we can zoom in here, but back in this portion of the chart, price made a move up, came down, and then just hovered right around this area. So that's where I'm getting the top of this support zone from. You can see there's a bunch of lows. We had a low there, and then there, and there. So quite a few price history right back in this area. But also, we want to include that other low in there, which was right around this area here. So let me get that moved up some. So I can let me extend this line out a little bit. I'm making my life more difficult. I'll just use a different tool here. Pull this one down. There, that's much better. And so here we have the top of our little support zone. And I'm going to make this green, just to remind everybody it's support. And then down here we have the bottom of it. The reason I'm just creating a zone is because technically you could call either one of these supports. So I figure I'll just kind of kill two birds with one stone here and just call it a zone. So these are the two levels right here that the price, will hopefully be able to stabilize at if it does keep falling down. And then if these ones fail, so if the price, breaks through both of these support zones, I'd foresee it coming down here and visiting this orange line, which is the 200-day simple moving average. Right now it's valued, it's kind of hard to see, but it's at 10 cents. So if these two levels do not hold and the bulls can't, keep the price at least going sideways here, then I would, look for it to head down and give this area a test down here at the 200-day simple moving average. These are the, key support levels right now that you want to keep your eye on in the future. As far as resistances, well, right now the key resistance has become what used to be, last week at this time, the key support, which is the 50-day simple moving average, is purple line. This was support here, but when it failed, that's just technical analysis 101. Supports become resistances when they fall, and that's what happened. So in the short term, the 50-period moving average is the current resistance level. After that, let's see, let me grab this. We have the high from this candle over here, which also used to be a support. You can see right here it supported the price, but when it failed, it became resistance. But this high right here was at about 21 cents, so this is also a resistance level after the 50-day simple moving average. So for the time being, we have our support zone, and then we have the 200-day simple moving average as supports. And then at resistances, we have the 50-day simple moving average right here, and this price up here at 21 cents. So that's kind of what where we're at right now. Ideally, what you'd like to see happen is for the price to come down and begin to go sideways. It doesn't need to come here and then bounce straight back up. Sure, that would be ideal, but from a more realistic standpoint, it'd probably be more beneficial and more healthy just to get some sideways action here before hopefully making a recovery. So that's where the chart stands. Hopefully, this upcoming week will just show some sideways price consolidation and then get this bounce back underway here. But only time will tell, so we'll have to just wait and see what happens. I'd also encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net if you haven't already. If you go there and sign up for the emailer, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews. And with your subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards all the way down to penny stocks. So there's something for everybody. It's all free, and it's worth at least checking out. We've been having some good success, making some good money. So it's worth giving a try. One more time, this was WAMUQ, Washington Mutual Incorporated. Thanks for listening, and have a good weekend.